We've got used Harleys at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos, like this drop dead gorgeous 2004 FLHRCI Road King Classic injected. The bike's in excellent condition. Part of the reason you'll discover in a moment. You can see upgraded or just added highway pegs, nice ones too. 14-year-old bike with under 11,000 miles. I don't understand it. Set of stereo speakers, upgraded grips, and a super nice sounding Vance & Hines exhaust system that you didn't have to pay for or install. Bike sounds as good as it looks, and it looks great. Luggage rack, passenger backrest already in place. Hard leather bags. It's a 2004 Road King, so it has the 88 cubic inch V-twin engine, mated to a 6-speed transmission, and is in incredible condition and available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.